Gang, we are back for another video, gang. Back for another video. Technical video. Quick poll. Okay, gang. So, I'm gonna take off the Fibonacci so I can explain briefly what's going on. Alright, so the Fibonacci off, you can see it clear as day. Price is heading back down. It's on the 15. If you go to the 2 hour, you can see for the last 2 hours, the price has been heading down. In the red candlestick, the last 2 hours before that, price was heading up, and this represents 4 hours. The 4 hours that's going on right now. The price should at least get to 33, 87, 88, 90 before we see a reversal back up. And I will show you that on the 4 minute, on the daily, overall on the 4 hour. You see this 4 hour right here. That's half of this candle on the 2 hour that's going down right now. Just to let y'all know, this is that 2 hour candlestick that's going down. Already at the top right here at 51. This was yesterday's move. As you can see, this was yesterday's move. This is going on for the last 4 hours. 2-4, the market will open up at 6. So for the last 4 hours, from 6 to 9, this is the move that's been happening. So what we do is we go to the 4 hour. That's that 4 hour. That's that candlestick right here. That's happening. That's pushing it down. That 2 hour candlestick on the 4 hour. On the 2 hour. Okay, show you one more time. Cool. Alright, cool. So as far as entries, once we see this, we see price going back down. We're looking for entries for buys. We're looking for price to bounce off on the 4 hour, to bounce back down to 38 to our extension level, or Fibonacci extension level with a withdrawal. And we're going to continue the uptrend back up to 33.30 for the daily. On the daily. Here's the daily. Clear as day. See on the daily. Zoom in, candlesticks. Green candlestick. It's going to push down a little bit more to get more traders and more people for entries and buy, and then we're going to see the price. We should see price push up to 34.30, or it could hit back down and go back down to hell and go straight to hell all the way back down to 33.30, 33.26. Either way, in this game though, you only win if you're correct. Okay, everybody else, if you go to work or if you do your job, you get paid. You don't get paid if you make the wrong mistake in the market. You only get paid if you make the right mistake. You make the right decision. So you have to be correct. It's very important to understand what's going on in the daily, overall, 4 hour, 2 hour, etc. See, in daily, still going down. So what we do is, now that we know our price is going down to 2 hour, we will scroll into the 15-minute time frame and look for Fibonacci retracement here. If you withdraw, it's going down fast. Or Fibonacci from the last high before it made a low, and we withdraw it to the last low. Okay, it lines up perfectly with our 27 extension level, which could be right here, 33.85. It's already at 32.92. And this is what you do once it gets to 27 extension line. We're looking for price to bounce off of one of these reversal levels, to bounce off of 38.2 before heading back up. I was waiting for this candlestick move to happen. We thought it was going to go for 38.2 right here and continue to drop back down the hell, back down to 38.6. But it didn't. The next candlestick, as you can see, was green and went up from 30.94 all the way back up to 34.02 before bringing this move that we've been trying to wait for. You have to allow the moves to make structure. You have to allow the moves to play out and allow the candlesticks to pay out. Alright, gang, just like that, you see price did go off one of its extension levels. Right here, you see price went off. We go to 15. We'll see a little better. Price got off this extension level. And it went right to where we thought it would go to. Like, it didn't get right to 27 extension, which was the next key level. The next level was 38.6. It got to 39.91.90 before pushing back up. Now it's at 0.618 extension. And what we will do from here, since we already have, we waited for price to bounce off one of these levels. It did. It bounced off of 38.2 came back down to 0, and then 27 extension. I didn't get quite to 27 extension in this situation. Now that we have her entries, like I said, we could have gotten for entries and sold this back down from 34.02 and sold it all the way back down to 33.91, and then I got it for entries at 33.93, 33.94, 33.95, even 33.97, 98 at the 0.5 extension. This 0.5 extension. I got a 0.38 extension at 33.96, 0.5 extension at 33.97, and so on. With 33.98 is the 0.61 extension, and we're just expecting the price to go up, continue to go up for the day. And we getting reversals and anything in that nature will reverse. We'll look for a reversal pattern to sell it back down. So I just wanted to delete this. Okay, this was a counter trend. This uptrend from here to here, and it finally built this trend. I told you Fibonacci, and you draw your Fibonacci. Now it was just waiting for price to get back up above 30. You can see clear as day. Our next level will be we draw Fibonacci from the last lower high before going back up. It will be right here, and we will draw it. Our extension, our 27 extension is somewhere up here. Like I said, at 230. This is where our 27 extension will be at. Somewhere around 32, 34, 22. It might even go higher. It might go to 61.8, which lines up perfectly with our 34.30. So in these take profits will be good. You can, like I said, you can get entry for 0.618, 0.5, 0.382, even, and then scaling for entries around these areas, around 3400, 3404, even 3406. Right now, price at 33.98. Let's say again for entries at 0.786 extension, we got this right here at 33.91. The last price lines up perfectly. And that move already happened. So now we're just waiting for price to have 27 extension, our take profit, which is 27 extension 34.22 or 0.618 extension, which lines up perfectly with our 34.30 take profit. Alright, gang, so learn how to use Fibonacci. Let the moves play out. Like I said, this is the 30. So and just hit 907, it's just hitting 9, so this candlestick is going to be going up for a whole hour. So it's going to be forming a bunch of 15 5-minute candlesticks. Okay, do not get faked out and then price is not heading all the way back up in the direction like I showed you. Just because you're on a 5-minute. You only look at the 5-minute and the 15 minutes for entries. Like right now, entries on the 15. But overall on the 30, you say you go back to the 30-minute. Overall price, we're for price to get is overall going up on the daily. Overall is going up on the daily as well, on the 4 hour as well. This is the 4 hour, for the next 4 hours. For 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock and 9, and then 6 and 9 is the next 4 hours. The 4 hours start at 9, and then we're looking for to hit our 27 session, that's 0.618, which is at our 34.30 level. And so make sure you study, let the candlestick form. It's going to take 4 hours for this candlestick to form all the way up to 27 extension, which is 34.20. It's going to take 4 hours. So you have to let the plays in the market create candlesticks and do what it's supposed to do. And you that's how you trade. You don't keep getting it in 10 minutes, 5 minutes, here and there, scraping $20, $30. Maybe if you're trying to scale your account slowly, but once the market's already moving in that direction, you have to let the candlesticks and everything play out for the next 4 hours. Okay, gang? So on the daily, the 30 is going up on the daily. Okay. See on the daily, it should go up to our 27 extension, which is 34.30. Alright, gang. So this should help with your technicals and psychology. You see, price should get to, like I said, our 27 extension or our 0.618 extension level. Alright, gang. It's Nature, aka Nature Gang.